Are you wondering how teacher Graham drank Milo with a straw outside of the cup? I'll share more with you later. In this video, I'm going to share with you on the topic of matter. Let's look at some questions. Alright, in this multiple choice question on the topics of 3 states of matter, the diagram below shows a 500 cm cube jar. It contains 200 cm cube of water, and when the plunger was pushed all the way down, 150 cm cube of air was pumped into the jar. Now remember to annotate on the important clues. Okay, now to tackle this question, you need to know on the properties of matter. So let's look at the properties of matter on the left. Alright, so solids will have definite shape, have definite volume, and cannot be compressed. While liquid have no definite shape, have definite volume, and cannot be compressed. Lastly, we have gas that has no definite shape, no definite volume, but can be compressed. Alright, so if you have this little syringe at home, you can do this simple experiment with me. Alright, pull out the syringe. Alright, use your index finger to cover the nozzle, and then squeeze as hard, push as hard as you can. And you realize air can be compressed. When you let go, it will return to the original shape. Alright, so let's look at some keywords. So liquid has definite volume and cannot be compressed, but gas has no definite volume and can be compressed. So what does that mean? That means the 150 cm cube of air that was pumped into the jar is compressed within the remaining space in the jar. So let's look at the remaining space in the jar. That will be 500 cm cube minus away 200 cm cube of water, which gives you 300 cm cube of remaining space. Alright, do you get this correct? The answer should be 300 cm cube.